completed chapter 1 and 2, isn't it? Yes. Now we are going to discuss about the chapter 3, multiplication and division. Then chapter 4, what is chapter 4? Chapter 4, factors, right? Then chapter 5, multiples, isn't it? Yes. So first we are going to discuss about multiplication and division. Okay? Yes. So now you know what are the subtopics in chapter 3. In multiplication and division, what are the things you learned? Do you remember? Yes. We learned these things, right? That means multiplication of 5-digit numbers. That is multiplying by 2-digit and 3-digit, right? Yes. Then multiplication by multiples of 10, 100 and thousands, isn't it? Yes. Then multiplying with zeros in the multiplier. Multiplying with zeros in the multiplier. Then division. Then average. Then division based on the next one is division, then average, then what do you learn? That story sums based on division, right? Yes. So now we are going to recall these topics, okay? Yes. First one is multiplication of 5-digit numbers, that is multiplying by 2-digit number, okay? Yes. See, can you see the example? The 5-digit number, in 5-digit number. Yes, you can write some example. 25,421. This is 5-digit number. Okay. Then now I am going to use the multiplier, 2-digit multiplier. That is 24 multiplied by 24. Okay. Yes. Now we can multiply, right? So first in ones place we have to use it, right? Yes. In ones place 1 4 is 4. Then 4 times 2 are 8. Then 4 times 4 are how much? 16. Double digit you are getting, isn't it? 16. But 6 only you are going to write it here. Then 1 is carryover, isn't it? 1 is carryover. Then 4 times 5 are how much? 20. 20, you have to add that carryover value. 20 plus 1, 21, isn't it? 21, but 1 only you are going to write it here. Then 2 is carryover. Understand? Then 4 times 2 are 8. 8 plus 2 how much? 10 will come, right? After no number. So write the 10 as it is. Do you understand? Yes. Next step we are going to use the multiplying tens place, right? Yes. Second step we are going to use 2 ones are 2. But in ones place you have to put 0. Be careful. Should not write in the ones place. Okay. How to write in the tens place? 2 1 is 2. Then 2 times 2 are 4. Then 2 times 4 are how much? 8. Then 2 times 5 are how much? 10 will come, right? 10, but 0 only you are going to write it here. Then 1 is carryover. Okay, 1 is carryover. Then 2 times 2 are how much? 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Right? Yes. Now what we have to do? Now we have to add these two products, right? Yes. Add these two values. 4 plus 0, 4 only. 8 times 8 plus 2, 10. Then 1 is carryover. 6 plus 4 how much? 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Then 1 is carryover. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Then 1 is carryover. 1 plus 0, 1 only. Then 5 plus 1, 6. So what is the answer? Here 25,421 into 24. So what is the answer here? 6,10,104. 6,10,104. Understand? Yes. This is multiplication by 2-digit multiplier, right? Yes. Now I am using the 2-digit multiplier. Next, 3-digit multiplier. Okay, 3-digit multiplier. Example, 52,412. This is 5-digit number. Then 3-digit multiplier, 2,130. 2,130. 113. Yes. Multiply. First we are going to use the third table, right? 3 times 2 are how much will come? 3 2s are 6. Then 3 1s are 3. Then 3 4s are how much? 12, right? 12. But 2 will be here. Then 1 is here. Okay. Next. 3 times 2s are 6, isn't it? 6 plus 1, 7. Then 3 times 5s are 15 will come, right? Yes, 15. Okay. Next we are going to use tens place value, right? That is, we are going to use the first table, isn't it? Yes, first table. In ones place we put 0. Yes. 1 2 is 2. 1 1 is 1. 1 4 is 4. Then 1 2 is 2. Then 1 5 is 5. Right? Yes. Next we are going to use hundreds place value, that is 2, right? Yes. So second table, here ones place and tens place we put 0. Okay. We are going to write the answer in the hundreds place, isn't it? Yes. 2 times 2 are 4. Then 2 1 is 2. Then 2 4s are how much? 8. Then 2 times 2 are 4. Then 2 times 5 are how much? 10 will come, right? Yes, 10. Next, what we have to do? We have to add this product, right? Yes. Add 6 plus 0 plus 0, 6 only, isn't it? Then 3 plus 2, 5. Then 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7, isn't it? 7. Next, 2 plus 4, 6, isn't it? 6 plus 7, how much? 13. But 3 only we have to write here, then 1 will be here. Now we have to add these 4 values, okay? 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 6, 1 is there. Okay. Next, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 is there. Then 1 plus 0, 1 only. Here, 1. So the answer is, what is the answer here now? So what is the answer here now? 1 crore 11 lakh 63,756. Okay. 1 crore 11 lakhs 63,756. Do you understand now? Yes. Next. So now, just now we finished multiplication of 5-digit number, right? Multiplying by 2-digit and 3-digit, isn't it? Yes. Next, multiplication by multiples of 10, 100, 1000. 10, 100, 1000. Yes. See here, 508 into 10. What is the answer? 508 into 10. You have to add that 0 in one's place, isn't it? It's very easy. 5080 will come, right? For example, 10 into 25,452. So here, what will be the answer? In one's place, you have to add that 0. So, what is the answer here? 2,54,520, right? This is multiplied by 10. If it is 100 means you have to add in ones and tens place 0. Okay. So 2,485 into 100. So what is the answer? You have to add that zeros, double zeros in ones and tens place. So what is the answer now? 2,48,500. 2,48,500. Understand? So for example, 3-digit number 40 into 1000. Here 1000. Okay. Here already that ones place 0 is there. Ones place 0 is there. Again you have to add these 3 zeros. So That's answer is 340. Again you have to add these three in ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Okay. So the answer is here 3,40,000. What is the answer? 3,40,000. Do you understand? This multiply by 10, 100 and 1000. Do you understand? Yes. See if it is 25 into 30. How we can multiply? Here 3 times. Okay. 3 times means just we have to multiply these two numbers. Okay. 25 into 3. 25 into 3 is what is the answer? 125, 25. 2 times it will come 50. 3 times 75, right? So you can write the answer 75. Then you have to add this 0 here. 750. Right? If it is coming that 40 into 400. So how we can multiply? So you have to multiply these two values. Okay. 14 into 4. 14 into 4 means 4 4s are how much? 16. 1. 1 4 is 4. 4 plus 1 5. That means 56 it will come. Right? So remaining these two. That means 5,600. 5,600. Do you understand? So 8 into 4,000. 8 into 4,000. What is the answer? Just to multiply these two numbers. 8 times 4 is how much? 188. 2 into 16. 3 x are 24. 4 x are 32. Isn't it? 32. I have to write it here. Then add these 3 zeros. So the answer is 32,000. What is the answer? 32,000. Do you understand now? Yes. See, next one is multiplying with zeros in the multiplier. See, that means you can see the example 5,042 into 105. Okay. Now we are going to multiply here. You can see the zeros, right? In the multiplier, you can see the zeros. So how we can multiply? 5,042 here 105. So you know already that 0 into any number, what is the answer? If you multiply by 0 into any number, what we will get? We will get 0 only, isn't it? Yes. So if you are multiplied by 1 into any number, what is the answer? Same number only will come, right? For example, 35 into 1, 35 only. For example, 285 into 1, 285. But 0 into 7, 0. Then 0 into 75. What is the answer? 0, right? 5 into 0, 0. 8 into 0, 0 only. If you multiply 0 into any number, you will get 0 only. But if you multiply by 1 into any number, we will get the same answer only. Correct? Do you understand? So please keep in your mind, right? Yes. So here 5 times 2 is 10. Then 1 carry over. Then 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. Then 2 will be here. Then 5 times 0. 5 times 0 is 0. Then after that you have to add this carry over value. Okay. 0 plus 2 how much? 2 only. Right? Then 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Now 0. If you are multiplying with 0 means already here in ones place we put 0, right? So here 0 into 2, 0. 0 into 4, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 5, 0. 0 into any number we will get 0 only, right? Next. Here ones place and tens place you put 0. Now we are going to use in hundreds place, that is first table. 1 into 2. 1 into 2, 2 only. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 0 is 0. 1 5 is 5. Now we have to add these three products. Okay. Yes. 0, 1, 2 plus 2 4, 5 plus 4 9, 2 plus 0 2, then 5. So the answer is 5,29,410. Do you understand? 5,29,410. Do you understand now? Yes. Next is Next one, division. Division already you learned, right? Yes, we are will give the example here. One question. Divided by 12. Okay, divided by 12. So here, what is the dividend? Dividend is 4285. What is the divisor? Divisor is 12, isn't it? Then what we will get? We will get the quotient and remainder, isn't it? Quotient and remainder. See, you can divide this number 4285 divided by 12. Okay. So here you can write the 12th table. 12 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 4 is 48. 12 times 5 is 60. 12 times 6 is 72. Okay. Now you can write. See here, first you have to take first two digits, right? If you are taking the single digit means this is the greatest value, right? So what we have to do? We have to take the first two digits. So 12 here, 42 is there. So how many times you can take? 12 one time if you are taking means that is 12. 2 times we are taking means that is 24. 3 times 36. 4 times 48. So 40 is this possible? No, right? So we can take that 3 times. 3 times means 3 times 12 is how much? 36. Isn't it? 36. So next what we have to do? We have to subtract this value. So 2 minus 6 is possible to subtract? No, isn't it? So what we have to do? We have to borrow from here. Here it will come 3, but here 12. 12 minus 6 is 6 only. Understand? Next we have to write the next number, that is 8. Now 68. 68, 12th table, how many times it will come? See, 4 times 48, 5 times 60, 6 times it will come 72. 72 is not possible, right? So how many times you can take? 5 times, isn't it? So that means 5 times 12 is 60. Now subtract. 8 minus 0, 8. 6 minus 6, 0. So next number is here, right? That is 85. Understand? 85. So 85 means again 12th table here, next time here 6 times, then 7 times how much it will come? 84 will come, right? 12 times 2 is 12 times 7 is 84 will come. So here how many times you can write it? 7 times. Here 85 is there, right? So 7 times 12 is 84. Now we subtract. 5 minus 4 1, 8 minus 8 0. So the quotient is, what is the quotient here? 357. 357. The remainder is 1. Remainder 1. Do you understand? You have to find the quotient and remainder. Right? Yes. Next one is average. Okay. Find the average. Average formula, do you remember? What is average formula? Sum of average equal to sum of items divided by number of items. Okay. Sum of items divided by number of. First you have to list out the numbers. After that you have to add all the values. Okay. That means sum of numbers. You have to add all the numbers divided by how many numbers are there. Just count it 1, 2, 3, 4. How many numbers are there? Divided by number of items. Okay. So this is the example. Transport 87, 75, 34, 126 and 83 runs in 5 matches. What was his average score? Okay. What was his average score? So the formula is actually average equal to sum of items divided by number of items. That means sum of items means you have to add all the values. Okay. 87 plus 75 plus 34 plus 126 plus 83. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? How many matches? 5 matches. Okay, divided by number of items. Number of item is 5. How many matches? 5 matches, right? So first you have to add these values. Okay, if you add 87, 75, 34, 126, 83. First you have to add values. Okay, 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 plus 7, 25. Okay, 18 plus 7, 25. But 5 will be here. Then 2 will be carried over. Okay. Yes. Now 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 7, 20. 20 plus 8, 28. 28 plus 2, 30. 30. 0, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So, sum of item is how much? 405. 405 divided by 5. 405 divided by 5. Now we know that how to divide these values, right? 405. Divide that value 405 divided by 5. Yes. Here we cannot divide the first digit, right? We have to use the 2 digit, that is 40. 40 how many times? 5 times 40 how many times? 8 times. 5 8s are 40, isn't it? 40. Then here 0, next number 5. So 5, 1, 5 is 5. So the average score is how much? This is average score 81. The average score is how much? 81. Do you understand, children? Yes. So in chapter 3, multiplication and division, we discussed that multiplication of 5-digit numbers, then multiplication by multiples of 10, 100 and 1000. Then what are the things? Multiplying with zeros in the multiplier, then division, then average. Okay. So I hope you understand this chapter 3. Yes. Next we are going to discuss about chapter 4, that is factors. Okay. Factors. Chapter 4, factors. So do you remember what are the things we discussed in factors? That is factors, common factors, then rules of divisibility, then prime and composite numbers, then prime factorization. Prime factorization we use the 2 methods, that is tree method and short division method, right? Then highest common factor. Then what? Highest common factor, right? Yes. See first factors. Factors. So for example, 24. Can you find all the factors of 24? Yes, we can write, right? The number factor first in on all the numbers, the factors 1 and the number itself, isn't it? Yes. So you can use the first table, then which table we can use? Second table. Second table how many times? 12 times it will come, right? So second table we can use. Then third table is possible. Yes, we can use third table also, right? How many times it will come? 8 times it will come, right? So third table. Then fourth table, yes, 6 times it will come. Then fifth table is possible? No, cannot. So sixth table, 6 fours are. Then 7 is not possible. Eighth table will come, right? 3 times. Then 9 is not possible. 10 is not possible. Then 11, 12 will be here, right? 12, then 24. So these are factors, right? 24 factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Do you understand? For example, the number 16. So the factors. Can you find all the factors of the number 16? Yes. First table. Then which table we can use? Second table. Then third table is possible? No, we cannot use, right? Then fourth table. 4 fours are 16. Then 5 is not possible. 6 also not possible. Then 7 not possible. Then 8 is there, right? 8 times 2 is are. So 8, then 16. That's all. So these are the factors, right? In 16, the factors are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. This is the factor, right? Next, common factors. If it is two numbers are there means you can find the common factor, right? Yes. See the example. 12 and 18. Okay, 12 and 18. So here we can find the common factor. How we can find the common factor? 12 factors. What are the factors? 1, then 2, then third table we can use, fourth table we can use, fifth is not possible, 6 is possible, right? 6 times 2 is 12. Then 7 is not possible. Then next 12 only, right? Then 18. 18, first table we can use, then second table, then third table, 6, 3 times 6, right? 4 is not possible, 5 is not possible, then 6, 6 times 3 is not, then 9, 9 times 2 are 18, then 18, isn't it? Now you can common factor. Common factor, so you can write here common numbers, 2, then 3, next is what? What is the next number? 6 is the common number, right? So you can write common factors 1, 2, 3, then and 6. This is the common factors, right? If we have two numbers means you can find the common factor. Do you understand now? Yes. Next one is next is rules of divisibility. Rules of divisibility. Do you remember? Divisible by 2, 4, 6, 5, then 9, right? These things you will learn. Do you remember? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 9, right? Yes. So first rule, if it is the number is divisible by 2 means what is the rule? The rule is the last digit is even number and 0 will be there means that number we can divide it by 2, isn't it? Yes. See the first one divisible by 2. So what is the rule? The last digit is even number or 0. 0 and even number means that number we can divide it by 2, right? This for example 528. See the last digit is 8. 8 is an even number, isn't it? Yes. What is even number? Even numbers now you know, isn't it? What are the even numbers are there? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These numbers are even number, right? Yes. This number is possible to divide it by 2. No, we cannot divide because this is the odd number, isn't it? So actually that divisible by 2 means that rule is the last digit is 0 or even numbers, isn't it? Yes. Then divisible by 3. Divisible by 3 means how we can find? So sum of the digit is divisible by 3 means that number we can divide by 3, isn't it? For example, 423. So sum of the numbers means you have to add the digits. 4 plus 2 plus 3. So 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, how much? 9. This 9 is divisible by 3, right? 9 we can divide it by 3, right? So this number now we can divide it by 3. Do you understand? This number now we can divide it by 3. So divisible by 3 means the rule is sum of the digit is divisible by 3 means that number we can divide it by 3. Do you understand now? Yes. Next divisible by 4. Divisible by 4 means what is the rule? The last two digits are 0, 0 or divisible by 4 means that number we can divide it by 4, right? For example, yes. See last two digits here 16. 16 we can divide it by 4, right? 4 times 4 are 16. So this number we can divide it by 4. Do you understand? So one more example. See last two digits are 0, 0 means this number also we can divide it by 4. Understand? number is possible to divide it by 2? No, 82 we cannot, right? Yes. So this number we cannot divide it by 4. Do you understand? Yes. Next, divisible by 5. Divisible by 5 means, what is the rule? The last digit is 0 or 5 is there means that number we can divide it by 5, right? See here. $5,820. So the last digit is 0. So this number we can divide it by 5, isn't it? Yes. If the number is 85, so the last digit is 5. So this number also we can divide it by 5, isn't it? Yes. Next is divisible by 6. Divisible by 6 means that number is divided by 2 and 3. Actually, we saw that rule divisible by 2 and 3, isn't it? So, that number is divisible by 2 and 3 means that number we can divide by 6 also. Okay. Then, divisible by 9 means the number sum of the, there also divisible by 3 also, sum of the digit is divisible by 3 means that number we can divide by 3, isn't it? Like that, divisible by 9 also, sum of the digit is divisible by 9 means that number also we can divide it by 9. Now do you understand rules of divisibility? Next is prime and composite numbers. Prime number and composite number. What is prime number? The number is divisible by 1 and the number itself means that is prime number, right? For example, 21. 21 is prime or composite. This number we can divide it by third, we can use the table third table, right? 3 7 times 21, right? This is not prime number. 11. Here the factors are 1 and 11 only. So this is the prime number. Understand? See the 13. 13 also a prime number because the factors 1 into 1 and the number itself. So this is also the prime number. Do you understand? Then composite numbers means more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. See 21. 21 factors, actually 21 factors 1, 3, 7, then 21. So these how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4 factors. So more than 2 factor means that is composite number. So now 21 is composite, right? So 22 also composite number. We can use first table, then second table 11 times, then 11th table, then 22. Isn't it? So that is composite number. Now do you understand? Prime number means the number is divisible by 1 and the number itself. Composite numbers means more than, if you are getting more than 2 factors means that is composite number, right? So prime number only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Do you understand? Yes. Next, prime factorization. Here we used 2 methods, right? Tree method and short division method. So next we are going to discuss about prime factorization. Here we are going to use tree method and short division method. Okay? Yes. See tree method, for example, the number is 42. So here we are going to use only prime numbers. Okay? Prime numbers means you know the number is divisible by 1 and the number itself. So here first we can use the prime number 2, right? So second table, here 2 times 2 is also 1 time, isn't it? So now 21. Now we can use it here. 2 is second table is possible here 21. No. Then which table? Third table we can use it. That is 3 how many times? 7 times, isn't it? Then so the factors, prime factors 42, prime factors 2 into 3 into 7. Do you understand? This is tree method. Do you understand? So the factors 42 is 2 into 3 into 7. Right. Next is next one is short division method. Right? How we can do? See here 56 prime factors here. First 56. First prime number 2. Use it here. Second table 2 2s are 4. Then 16. 8 times 2 is 16 will come. Right? Then again second table 1 2 is 2, then 4 2s are 8. Then second table 7 times. So seventh table 1 time. 7 is also a prime number, isn't it? Yes. So now here the factors 56 factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Do you understand? Yes. Factors of 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Right? Yes. So next is highest common factor. Okay. How to find the highest common factor? And 21. So if these two numbers are there means we can find the highest common factor. Okay. So first 15. 15 factors. Second table is possible? No. You can use it here. Short division method. So 15, which table we can use? Third table we can use, right? Third table how many times? 5 times it will come, right? Then fifth table 1 time. So 15 factors 3 into 5. Next is 21, isn't it? Factors 21. Here first prime number 2 is possible to divide this one. No. Then third table we can use. So how many times? 7 times. Then again seventh table 1 time. So 3 into 7. Right? Now you can see here the common factor. Here common factor is 3 only, isn't it? So highest common factor equal to 3. Highest common factor is 3. Now do you understand? This is the highest common factor. So in chapter 4 now you know that how to find the factors, then common factors, then rules of divisibility, prime and composite numbers, then prime factorization. Prime factorization we use tree method and short division method, then highest common factor. That here also we use the prime factorization, right? Yes. I hope you understand in chapter 4 also, right? Yes. Next we are going to discuss about chapter 5. Chapter 5 is what? Multiples, right? What is that? Multiples. Yes. In multiples, do you remember what are the things do you learn? Yes. That is lowest common multiple. That is LCM, isn't it? Then finding LCM using a number line. Then finding LCM by prime factorization. Then finding LCM by using the short division method. Lowest common multiple, right? Yes. So first one is lowest common multiple. See multiple actually here 5 multiples. Do you know what is 5 multiples? The next to 5 multiples can you write? Yes, you can write. It is simple. 5, next is 10, next to 15, then 20, then 25, isn't it? These are the multiples of 5, isn't it? For example, 11. So here you can write the multiples 11, then 22, then 33, then 44, then 55, then 66, etc. It will come like that, right? These are the multiples of 11, isn't it? Yes. Next is see here we are going to find the lowest common multiple. If your the number 2 numbers are there means we can find the lowest common multiple, right? 5 and 8. Okay, 5 and 8. For example, 5 multiples we can find it. We can write it 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, then 40, 45, then 50. Okay. Then 8 multiples you can write. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, then 80. Okay. So here the common number. You can write the common number. Where is the common number here? Now 40 is the common number, right? So lowest common multiple LCM is 40. The number 5 and 8 is the lowest common multiple is, what is the answer? 40, right? See. See the example 4 and 6, okay? Lowest, to find the lowest common multiple. So first you have to write the 4 multiples, okay? 4 is 4, then 8, then 12, 16, 20, 24, then 28, 32, 36, 40. Isn't it? Yes. Next, sixth. 166, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, then 4 times 6 are 24, 5 times 6 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 7 6 are 42, 8 6 are 48, right? Yes, okay. So here first you write the common multiple. Here 12, then next is which number? 24, isn't it? 24, then 36 also is there. But here we are going to find the lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple means LCM, right? LCM is here the lowest value is, what are the multiples? Common multiples are 12, 24 and 36. Okay. So here we need the lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple is what? 12 only. Do you understand? 12. Yes. Then finding LCM using a number line. How to find the LCM using a number line. Okay. So you can write the numbers 3 and 4. Okay. I am using the number 3 and 4. Okay. 3 and 4 means first you have to write the number line. Numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 20. 24 till 24 I wrote. Here first we are going to use the third table. Okay, third table. Yes. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, then 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24. Then next is fourth table. Okay, fourth table. And 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, then 3 4s are 12, then 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24. So double circle between 12 and 24, right? So 3 and 4, that LCM, lowest common multiple. The first one is, the first number here we are getting the two numbers, right? 12 and 24. So we can write the answer, lowest common multiple is 12. Now do you understand how to use the number line? Yes. Next is finding LCM by prime factorization method. Okay. Prime factorization method. How we can find it? First see the example finding the LCM using prime factorization method. Okay. The example 12 and 15. 12 you can write it 12 factors. So prime factors, okay, 2 6 times, again 2 3 times, then 3 1 time. So you can write it 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 2 into 3. Next 15. 15 you can write it here. You can use that, which table we can use it? Third table, right? Yes. Second table we cannot use, third table 5 times, again fifth table 1 time. So the factors 3 into 5, isn't it? Yes. So first we can write the common factor. Common factor is 3 only, isn't it? 3 is the common factor. So LCM we can find lowest common multiple is common factor into uncommon factor also. Uncommon factors means these numbers. Okay, remaining numbers. That means 2 into 2 into 5. First you have to write the common factor, that is 3. Then into uncommon factor also. Uncommon factor is 2 into remaining numbers. 2 into 2 into 5. So you have to multiply that number also. 2 into 2 into 5. Yes. Now you multiply 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is how much? 12. 12 into 5. 12 into 5 means 5 times 2 is 10. 1. 5 1 5 is 5. 5 plus 1 6. So the answer is 60. Answer is how much? 60. Now do you understand how to find the lowest common multiple using prime factorization method? Prime factorization method means you can use only the prime number. So now you can see here 2 is the prime number, isn't it? Here you can see 3 is the prime number. Then 5 also prime number. So if it is 4 means that is not a prime number, right? We cannot use. So only prime number only we can use it here. Do you understand? This is finding LCM by using prime factorization method. Yes. Next is short division method. Okay. Find the LCM using short division method. See, 3 numbers are there. 12, 16 and 24. So how to find the LCM? Yes. Do you know now? Yes. We have to write it 12, 16, 24. Yes. So first prime number is 2, isn't it? Yes. 2. How many times? 6 times. Here 8 times. Here 12 times 2 is 24. Then again second table we can use 3 times. Here 4 times. Here 6 times 2 is 12, isn't it? Yes. Next second table, but 3 is not possible. So 3 you can write as it is. Then 2 times 2 is 4. Then here 3 times 2 is 6. Again second table, here 3 is not possible. Then 1 time, here 3 you can write as it is. Right? Yes. So again third table, 1 time, 1 time, 1 time. Okay. The LCM is you can multiply lowest common multiple equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So how many 2's are there? 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 into 3. Do you understand? Yes. Now 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, isn't it? 16 into 3. Multiply 16 into 3. 6 3's are 18, isn't it? 18, 1 is there, 1 3 is 3, 3 plus 1, 4. The answer is what? 48. Isn't it? Answer is 48. Now do you understand? Yes. So I hope you understand this chapter 5 multiples also. So now I think you don't have any doubt. If you have any doubt, please contact.